Welcome to our step-by-step guide to getting your UK driving license. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, from applying for your provisional license to passing your driving test. Whether you're just starting or nearing the finish line, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure you're eligible to drive in the UK. You must be at least 17 years old and meet the medical fitness requirements. For mopeds or light quad bikes, you can start at 16. Ensure you have valid identification, like a passport, to begin the process. Next, apply for your provisional driving license. This is your gateway to starting driving lessons and taking the theory test. Apply online at government.uk or by post using a D1 application form from the post office. The cost is £34 for online applications or £43 by post. Before you can book your driving test, you must pass the theory test. Use apps like the DVSA Theory Test Kit or resources like the Highway Code. The test includes multiple choice questions and a hazard perception test. The fee is £23. Book your theory test online at government.uk. On test day, bring your provisional license. After passing, you'll receive a certificate with a unique reference number to book your practical driving test. With your provisional license and theory test certificate, you can now start driving lessons. Hire an approved driving instructor, ADI, or practice with a qualified driver. Ensure your vehicle is insured for learner driving. When you're ready, book your practical driving test. The cost is £62 for weekdays and £75 for evenings, weekends, or bank holidays. Prepare by practicing common maneuvers like parallel parking and emergency stops. After passing your test, you can start driving immediately. Make sure your car insurance covers unsupervised driving. Consider taking the Pass Plus course to improve your skills and potentially lower your insurance costs. Need to reschedule or cancel your driving test? You can do so online up to 3 full working days before your test to avoid paying again. For short notice changes due to illness or emergencies, email the DVSA with proof to request a refund. And that's everything you need to know about getting your UK driving license. If you found this guide helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Safe driving.